In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to standardize workflows with bundles in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get right into it. To get started, open the specific Asana project that you want to standardize for your team's regular use. This could be any project you have that needs a little structure or consistency to help your team work more efficiently. Once you have the project open, it's important to make sure you have the necessary administrative access. This access will allow you to edit the project settings and workspace. If you're not sure whether you have the correct settings, it might be worth checking with your Asana administrator first before proceeding. Next, look for the Customize option. This is typically located in the top right corner of your project screen. Go ahead and click on the Customize button. When you do this, a panel will pop up to help you manage the structural elements of your project. Now, in the Customize panel, you need to search through the menu options to find the Bundles section. Depending on your plan, bundles can be a fantastic way to group together custom fields, rules, and specific layouts that work best for your team. Click on Bundles to start organizing these elements into a cohesive structure that will help your team remain aligned and focused. While you're working with bundles, keep an eye out for any messages that might pop up regarding subscription requirements. If you see a message prompting you to upgrade your Asana plan, don't panic. Just review the details to see what features are included in the various pricing tiers. Being aware of these can save you some headaches later on, especially if you're relying on these features for your work processes. Once you've navigated this far, you're going to want to actually apply your saved bundle. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This will allow you to implement the structure you've just set up across multiple projects. This consistency is key to helping your team understand the format and maintain an efficient workflow throughout all your tasks. All right, let's take a moment to pause and reflect on what we've accomplished. You've now standardized the workflows in Asana using bundles. This should not only simplify the way you and your team approach different projects, but also enhance collaboration and clarity when responsibilities are being assigned. Now, before we conclude, I encourage you to check your results. Take a moment to revisit your projects and see how everything looks. Make sure that the bundles you've implemented are working as intended and that they're providing the structure that you were aiming for. Test out the new layouts, fields, and rules to ensure everything is functioning smoothly so that your workflow can be as effective as possible. And that's it. You've learned how to standardize workflows with bundles in Asana. Bundles in Asana. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.